Hello, buenas, how you doing? If you're not a fan of AI, I think I'm gonna make you one. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use AI to build yourself a website with no coding experience, no click and drag, none of that. So the tool I want to share with you guys today is called Lovable, and it's so easy to use. Once you're on the platform, you're gonna have this little text box where you're gonna type in what you want to build, what it's for, what you want people to be able to do on it, and from there the AI is gonna take that information and it's gonna build what you described that you wanted. I recommend you to be very detailed. If you want certain colors or if you want certain features on the website, make sure you mention. In the example I'm sharing with you guys today, I'm building a website where people can go in and share book reviews. I want the website to have a community with different chats for different genres, so I'm going to include that in the description so that way the AI knows to include the website. And here is what Lovable gave me. It took about 5 minutes for it to generate the website, and it looks really freaking good. So as you can see, very simple to build a website using AI. I didn't have to code anything. I didn't have to hire any developers. I just went in and I told it what I wanted and it built it for me. If you want to change certain things, you just go in the little chat box right here, type in what changes you want to make, and the AI will update the website for you. And if you like what it generated, you can take the code and plug it into your website host. I love what Lovable has been able to create. It doesn't just help the consumer that needs a website. A project that would have taken a developer maybe a month to put together, a developer can now use a tool like Lovable and finish a project in maybe a week or two. On the other side, consumers who don't have the funds to spend on a developer can now do it on their own. So that's Lovable. If you're interested in using Lovable, I'm going to leave a link to the platform on my broadcast channel. Like everything else in this AI series, every tool I mentioned, I'm going to leave it there for you guys so it's easier for you to access. And I do want to make a little disclaimer because I know a lot of people are worried that AI is coming in to take jobs. If you think about it, this can actually create jobs for people. People who don't have the skills of a developer can now use this tool to supply this service. There are still going to be people out there that don't want to sit here and learn AI because they just don't have the time, but they have the funds. So they rather pay you to deal with the AI and build it for them. Their time is better elsewhere. Let's say you hire a developer for $2,000 and it takes them a week to do a project. In that week, you probably closed 2 deals that made you $10,000. What you made outweighed the cost. So I say that to say there's always going to be a need for developers. And also the people that wouldn't be able to afford a developer in the first place weren't going to hire the developer anyway. So we're not really taking any money out of the developer's pocket. So this way we're at least presenting another way for that person to get what they need, which is a website. Also, this could probably help developers make more money because they can take on more work because they're able to get the work done faster because the AI is helping them. Or they can charge more for their work because they're leveraging the fact that they're getting the work done faster. For a faster turnaround time, you can sometimes charge more. So I say all this to say I think we should stop thinking of all the negatives of AI, because yes, there are negatives just like in anything, but I think when we focus solely on the negative, we lock ourselves to the blessings that AI can also bring.